And welcome back to part 2 of the video, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I tried germinating the hollyhock seeds and the type of seedling tray or container that I took. And if you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as I already mentioned in my previous video that I am not really sure if these seeds will actually germinate or not. Alright, so I've separated them based on size, and that is the bigger seeds and those are the smaller size seeds. Now I will be planting them a mixed type of a combination. Now the things that I've taken is, now the seeds can be really old, and in that case they will not be germinating. Okay, and the things that I've taken for the potting mix are 70% of cocoa peat or mulch, which is well sieved and also pretty moist. The one in the container is not moist, though that is for showing you guys. Okay, so that is dry, but the actual cocoa peat that I used is moist in the seedling tray. Okay, this is a homemade seedling tray. You can use disposable glasses in order to make it. Okay, it's very easy to make, and also they do have some holes in the bottom just so that there is no water logging. That is not good for your seedlings when they're trying to germinate. And I've taken about 30% of garden soil. I've also taken seaweed fertilizer granules. Now you will be taking at least 5 or 6 seaweed granules in half a cup of water. Mix it and just sprinkle that water on the top layer of the soil. So firstly, I have filled these containers with a whole lot of soil mix. Now let me just put these seeds in. There are 2 seeds in each of these containers. Now I'm just going to be spreading a tiny little, very thin layer of soil on the top and sprinkle a little bit of seaweed water. You have to make sure that these tray containers are put out in direct sunlight when it's springtime. That's when I'm trying to sow this, and just keep it under direct sunlight, but make sure that it stays moist at all times. No need to soak them separately in water, the seeds, no need, because the soil, the composition that I'm using is already quite moist and already quite wet, and it might take a bit more time because the seeds look a little dry. So soaking them overnight might not really help a whole lot, not as much as we are already doing it, and also giving it a boost. So if the seeds are alive, then they should be able to grow with the boost of seaweed fertilizer. That's something I like to do when the seeds are kind of like old. Okay, as you can see, my seedling trays look really moist now, maybe a little too much of water. That is the seaweed extract mixed water. That's what I have sprinkled now, and now I will just be keeping it in a sunny window area. Okay, that's pretty much it, and I will be checking it. I will not be boosting or giving it another sprinkle of seaweed fertilizer water. No, I'm not going to do that. I will just be using plain water from tomorrow, okay, whenever I see that the soil actually looks really dry. All right, so that was pretty much about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If this grow, then maybe there will be another update. All right, I hope you guys stay tuned for more videos. Bye for now.